Wow, look at the clouds on my camera right now.
I know.
Show me what you got. Oh, it's so electric. Ow! Manly, hold on. The wind's gonna take you, Manly, no! And there's just tons of dust blowing into our eyeballs. Oh, man! Wow! Look, everybody, we got the whole clan. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello, everybody. We are here in Rockwell City, Iowa. The whole fam. There's JoJo, Manly, and Kaylee, and Mom, and Seth, and Dad. And you already saw Gert, Teeny, and Dasher Boy. And I'm here too. And we are spending most of this week here in Rockwell City as a family. Seth and his family are here from New York, so we're enjoying some time out and about with the crew, and we're headed to the park right now. It's a very surreal time because we're headed to a park that I played at multiple times as a child, sidewalks that I played on multiple times as a child, and now we're here with our kids, and it's very surreal. It's very nostalgic and just really fun to experience. So we're gonna show some highlights of our time here with the Olnies.
These aren't our rocks, bud.
Bro, you just love rocks.
Yeah, we gotta go past these rocks.
Mommy just about biffed it.
I just about biffed it. I almost broke my ankle.
Oh, we would at least got it on camera. Also not our rocks.
Not our rocks either.
Rocks. Come on, Dash, let's go.
Hey, bud. You got some sticks? Looks good.
Wow, look at the clouds on my camera right now.
I know.
I mean, the clouds are awesome just outside the camera,
They
but
really are.
wow, the sky looks incredible right now.
That's our destination.
Oh, wow, they have a whole new thing of equipment, too. Mercy.
Good save,
Is it time to sit down? He's like, I think I'm done with these sticks. I keep falling. And I don't have my hands to catch myself.
That's wise.
Destination, playground.
Hey.
Just a baby doing baby things. It's heavy breathing.
So true.
All right, we made it to the playground. Dash Boy's going to the top.
JoJo, come.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Good.
Good job. Good job. And there's JoJo. Hi, JoJo. Hi, JoJo.
You go down.
She's just going for
Okay,
it.
I'm just gonna.
Hi, JoJo.
I'll supervise.
Hi, JoJo.
See how you do.
Oh, sit. Good. You're good. Good.
Good job. Here we go.
Whee!
Good job, JoJo. How's Dasher Boy doing?
Doing good. He got himself all turned around.
Good job, buddy. Well done. You coming back up now? No? All right.
That's so good.
Good job, bud.
Good job.
Jojo's back. Hi, Jojo. All golden brown in that sunlight.
She's tanning it fast.
Yeah. Good job. Hi, Manly. Hi, Jojo. Yeah, clean off the steps. All right. Safe travels. Bye-bye.
Get your other leg out first. Jojo. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay.
That went pretty well, considering. Dasher boy. There's Dasher boy. Hi, buddy. It's Jojo, and it's Dasher boy.
Pull your shirt up there, girl. Looking a little like a
Can you do it?
busy there.
Can you do it? There you go. Hi, buddy.
Do you see Mama?
There's mommy.
Mwah.
That got a little difficult, huh? There you go. Okay, go sit on your butt. He's like, no, we're going head first. Here we go. Whee! Good job. That's the fastest he's ever gone.
Do you want to do it again, Bud?
Something I remember as a kid was always playing on playgrounds that were gravel, wood chips. But now they got this wonderful, it's just ripped up tires. It's super soft. It's Manly. What's up?
Watch me climb up this and fill.
All right, just like Spider-Man.
Yeah, just like Power Rangers.
Yeah,
Lord Zed would capture us in that.
that's right.
Yeah. Anthony and Brittany.
Yes, we had so much fun here.
Man.
Good job, dude.
Sneaking away.
And then go down the slide.
Yeah.
Good job, bro. All right. He's climbing to the top. He's coming on down. Here he comes. Yeah, good job. All right, Garrett. Should we play on the playground? Yeah. Okay, let's go. I somehow remember these being a lot lower. Safety. It stinks, doesn't it?
McDonald's, dude.
Oh, it does stink. So then we gotta go up here. I've never done this one-handed before. This feels pretty sketchy. So we're gonna film it like this. Ah! All right, Gert, show me what you got. All right, up here we go. I wonder if I could actually fit down this slide. Is it wet down there?
That one.
It's not? Oh boy, it has been a minute since I've gone down a slide. Ah! Ah! Oh, ow, it's so electric. Ow, ow, so much static. All right, it's Gert's turn. Oh my gosh.
Me the whole way.
There was so much electrical shock. Oh, wow. We also used to just like, we'd climb on the outside.
Seth was saying.
Yeah. We'd go up this on the side here. And obviously you'd have people slide between your legs. Hi, Dad. Oh, got some swingers over there. Looks like Meemaw and Dash and Tiny are over there in the little mini house, and Gert and I are in the big boy playground. Good job, Gert. Yeah. Wait. Here. Oh, excuse me. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Super staticky. Bye-bye.
Nice job.
Thank you. Got a wedgie now. Going forward this time. And sideways. Here comes the Dasher boy, climbing up the slide. Crikey. Okay, you gonna go back to the slide again? Back down the slide? Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Whee!
Oh.
Oh, mercy.
Yeah.
Mercy. Okay, Daddy. Daddy
Yeah.
gets ya. Daddy gets ya.
Dasher rescue.
Oh, you got a good snot bubble on that one. Good job, bud.
Bye. Good fall, bud.
Wait for the recovery.
Solid fall.
Great recovery. Knock, knock, who's there? It's Dasher boy. Hello, sir. Do you have anything to offer me today? Looks like you got a bunch of rubber tire pieces. Yeah, what else you got? Or is the door closed? Are you closed for business? Yeah. Bye-bye, Dash. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're under the playground. We're under the playground right now, and there's a puzzle that we can't figure out, and we've enlisted Teeny's help. Teeny, we're on Survivor right now,
Okay.
and there's a puzzle we can't figure out. We needed to decipher what C-A-T-N-O-E spells.
Okay.
What do you think? While we're trying to figure this out, leave in the comments what you think it is. You can actually pause it and probably Google it.
Yeah, that's an interesting one. Huh.
Tack one. Cat no. It could be canoe if it wasn't for the T. Tan.
Can't new.
Can't new. Or canute.
Yeah. This is hard for
Not.
a children's puzzle.
N-O-T. Is this maybe how you're supposed to actually spell it? Is like this?
Maybe. Yeah.
Oops.
You like lock them in. That makes sense.
Tanoka.
Maybe it's not supposed to spell anything?
Maybe not.
Maybe. All right. You have your phone?
Yeah.
Google words spelled using cat no.
Your letters. C-A.
T-N-O-E.
Search.
Nothing?
Is it searching?
Octane.
What?
Oh.
Octane? No, it's an A.
Uh-oh, I can't get it.
I never would have guessed that.
I never.
Don't know that word. I didn't learn that until I was like 15.
We did it. Thank you, Google.
Okay.
Octane. Makes literally no sense for a children's playground, but
I really
hey,
got it.
you do you, Rockwell City School District. Okay, it's time to swing. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
We're married.
No, we're divorced. Come back. Come back. Hurry. Hannah.
You can do it too. Here, it takes two to be married.
I'm trying to slow myself down, but you're going too
You have
fast.
to try. You have to go faster. I'm going way faster than you.
I'm trying to catch up. I'm trying to catch up.
Now you're in higher marriage. I'm really sorry, baby.
You abandoned me.
You're going the opposite.
I'm already going way higher than I'm comfortable with. Way higher than I'm comfortable
I
with.
was too, and I didn't
Wow.
realize it.
How did I get here so quickly?
I did, and I was like, how do I stop?
I feel like I'm doing that baby face when something happens and they're really uncomfortable. Oh! Okay, I gotta slow down. I gotta slow down. I just looked at the ground and now I'm freaked out. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. Plus this thing sounds like it's breaking.
It's just squeaky.
Making some
They're very strong bolts. Look at them. I want some ice cream.
I want ice cream too. In the comments, comment what your favorite ice cream flavor is. Mine is
What is it?
is
Mine's peanut butter waffle cone.
mine is it's now Reese's peanut butter cup ice cream, branded by Reese's, but it used to be by Byers, and it would have vanilla ice cream with Reese's peanut butter cup and chocolate ice cream with Reese's Pieces, and it was the best. Eric?
I like a good blueberry caramel waffle cone.
Oh!
Blueberry, not blueberry.
Blueberry, not blueberry. Blueberry, not blueberry. Oh man.
Sounds pretty good.
I also will forever love and admire a good cookies and cream. If I had to pick,
Go backwards.
ooh, I don't know if I feel confident with that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end up on my head. All right, I need to slow down and I'll try.
Scarier than when you were a kid.
Yeah, especially because I'm top heavy. Ah! Ah! Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up. Welcome back, everybody. I wasn't sure if I was gonna film today because we are experiencing insane winds right now. But that's now the reason why I'm going to film, because I've never walked in winds as crappy as and crazy as these winds. We're out at the lake, as you can see, beautiful Twin Lakes. And these winds are just ridiculous. They're not so bad right here because I have a lot of tree blockage being out here on this dock, going out to the lake. But when we go back out here to the open prairie, it is bonkers. So I just want you to experience the craziness of this wind. The little ones are about to blow away. Manly, hold on! The wind's gonna take you! Manly, no! No, Manly, no! Ah! There's Dash, just loving life. Oh my goodness.
He's hunkering down.
Excuse me, sir, how crazy are these winds right now? Oh my goodness, wow! There's Manly, he's blown away. I tell you, one of the best parts about this is that there's just tons of dust blowing into our eyeballs. So seeing right now is top notch. Here comes a gust. Oh man, wow! Manly, I'm flying! Ah! Oh my goodness! Jojo! Wow! Manly! Where are the winds gonna take us? To Oz? To the Wizard of Oz?
No, back to me, my Bubba's house.
Oh no! No matter the weather, it's always time to collect sticks. Oh no! it's a beautiful area. Hopefully you can hear me. As I oftentimes say here on my channel, sorry about the wind, but I can't do anything about it. Well, today I definitely can't do anything about it, especially being in this open prairie area here. There was a couple gusts on our trek down that path there. Literally, it felt tornadic. And I don't know the gusts, but they're crazy. They are crazy. I turned my hat, or put my hat off, and my hair just went straight forward because it's going so much. We got another gust, here we go! Ah! Dad's not even pushing, it's just being blown away. Hi. Dad, are you enjoying the wind? No. When I first started recording, we were walking with the wind. Now we're walking into the wind, and it's a very different experience. And like I said, there's dust in the air. Tiny's gotten it in her mouth, and so she's eating gravel, and I have it in my eyeballs. Luckily, Tiny wears contacts, so she doesn't feel that.
That's true.
Cheater! Dash, what do you think? Oh my gosh, huge gust! Wow! Well, we found a reprieve here inside this nice little covered bridge, as you can see. We can actually hear ourselves talking, right, Dash? Oh, okay, bye. With this nice little, what'd you call this area, Teeny? Oh yeah, a marsh. A marsh. You can see the water moving because of the wind.
You want to get down?
Hey. Grab me.
Mom! All right, we're still out here in the wind. All the wind. Here's Dasher Boy. We're at a playground now. Oh man, I don't even know how I can fit through this thing. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, wow! That's got some force and velocity. All right, mom's turn. No. Hi, Dash. Don't eat the sand, bro. That's tacky.
Yeah, let's climb up the slide.
I'm going snap.
Okay, wait for Dash to climb up here, buddy. Good job, Dasher boy. Yay! Good job, buddy boy. All right. Okay, Manly's gonna go down the slide now. Here he goes. Watch Manly. Whee! Nicely done, young man. Okay.
Gotta let that stand go.
Ready?
Yep.
Whee!
Again.
Throw your rocks in? Okay, buddy. I don't think it's a really big deal, honestly. Welcome everybody to the Kids Kingdom here in Rockwell City, Iowa. Established in 2006 for the little ones to play on. It comes with a floor of minced up rubber tire. My lens is apparently dirty, so I need to clean that off. Looks like I'm in a dream.
It's the dream of
That's better. Here, buddy.
Kids fun.
And it's just huge. This is a massive, massive wooden
How
playground.
do you want to fly?
There's Seth. Oh, was this paint? Oh yeah, the painting was here. It is JoJo. Whee! How did we get here so fast? We flew.
Oh, we got delayed because I walked past town to watch the skid loader, and then we got talking to Mike, and then Fiona came out.
And I seen Tony.
And Dad, you know.
You want to give a Manly a hug?
I had to go say hi to Tony.
Give Dash a hug.
Oh, that's
Oh,
so cute.
it's so cute. Hi, buddy. Wanna walk around?
Oh, this thing is so fun. You think you can hold my weight?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so fun.
You wanna step up there? Step up there.
You got together, baby.
Good job. Go with mommy. Daddy will film. Here we go.
It's gonna be crazy to walk on.
Whee!
Keep going. Yeah.
Good job. Yeah, this place was amazing. I love that they also built it around the tree here. so they didn't take the natural tree down. We got awesome swing sets. We got another place, ages 2 to 5, which is really cool. We spent many a nights here as young college kids, late into the evening hours, just messing around. All right, let's balance. Here we go. Woo! Dash is driving. Dash is driving. Dash, where are you going? Boopa, where's Boopa? Where's Boopa? Where's Boopa? There's Boopa, he's over there. Yeah. And a bike. Got a cool bike, huh, buddy? All right. It's Jojo.
Hi, buddy. Little wave, yep.
Oh, mercy.
Joe.
Yeah, this place is just super cool.
Joe.
Got a hidden ladder in here. Got a bridge and walkway, which goes over the front area here. It mazes through. That'll take you out. This keeps you going. Ow. Just all over. Got another bridge. Another hidden ladder. And then, look at this crazy part over here, Teeny. One-handed here, kids. Woo! Oh, this is sketch. Slowly but surely. I did it. I did it. All right. There's Manly. There's Manly. Coming up the hidden ladder.
It'd be fun to be here when it's like really busy because you just have people coming out of like every
Literally.
little area.
All these little mazes.
Yeah.
Look, buddy, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Yeah, you like that bike, don't you? What do you think about the playground, huh? Pretty cool? Yeah? Who's that? Is that Uncle Seth?
Hi, bud. Rolling with Daddy.
That's right.
Leave it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
What else?
Mama.
Mama. Mommy's right there, showing her best side.
Stop it. Oh my gosh.
There's Mommy, there's Mommy, there's Mommy, there's... Oh, there she is. We're now entering the tot lot. We'll see if there's any little tots in here. I don't know if there's any, maybe some tots hiding around here. Now this is ages 2 to 5, so anybody that's in here is ages 2 to 5. Oh, we found a couple tots in here.
Did you hear us playing music?
I did, that's what drew me over here. Drew me over here. How old are you?
Me?
Yeah,
17.
17? Okay, well the age limit for in here is 2 to 5 years old.
I'm 5.
Okay, I need you to see, I need to see those feet moving.
We're on our way, buddy.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
I think you're lying. You don't look old enough to be 5.
Okay, I'm 4.
Oh! Wow! Yeah! Ooh! Yeah! Yeah! Wow, can you clap for yourself?
Here you go. Alright, hit it. Hit it. Push it. He's like, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Let's go. Come on.
Thank goodness this is soft. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was just really scary.
Hey, Jojo, look who's in the window. Look who's in the window. It's Dash.
Oh, peekaboo.
How cute is that?
Oh, it's so cute.
So
Look at
adorable.
Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Hi, baby. Bigfoot say, come here, come on in. Everybody's
I see you. I see you, Jojo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
That's your boy. You got Daddy's camera.
Yep, it's gonna be a great part of the video.
Oh boy.
He's handling it like a pro.
Is he?
He's being so gentle.
Hi, honey.
Peekaboo, Joe. Peekaboo.
Dash, can you look at the camera and wave? Wave. He waves with the camera.
I see you.
Hi, Jojo.
Can you film JoJo playing peekaboo with you? She's coming. She's coming. Peekaboo.
Like this whole week.
Can you give Joe a hug?
Sorry.
Good job.
Oh my goodness, it's so sweet. I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Joe.
Take that. I see you. I see Dasher. I see Dash. Hi, Dash.
Look out the window.
Dash.
Hi, Jojo. Hi, Jojo. It's almost done, buddy. We're almost done. Hey, Jojo.
Look at her.
She's gonna pop up through the window.
Here she comes.
Peekaboo, Joe. Peekaboo.
He's just filming me.
Turn it around. Turn it around. Look at Joe out through the window.
We're just gonna turn the camera. All right, Manly's gonna sing us a song. Are you ready? Ready, go.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size. Can't you see? Just like flies. Look out! Here comes a Spider-Man. Na-na.
Yeah! Can you clap for yourself? Yeah! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hey, Dash. This is probably going to be the end of our video. Would you like to say bye-bye? Can you say love you? Say see you next time? And remember, it's all knee and no foot? Yeah? Okay, say bye-bye.